I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great.
Guys, today I am going to show you how to make a quick, easy dinner that's very family friendly. Your kids are definitely going to love these, and they're so easy. I know you're gonna love them too. I found these mini naan rounds, and they are perfect for mini pizzas. Then all you gotta do is just assemble whatever toppings you like. You could either bake these or not bake them, and if you decided not to bake them, they're like a light, fluffy version of a Lunchable pizza. You could have the cheese in a small cup so that they can put their own cheese on their pizza. So if your kids like those, they are definitely going to like these as well. Decide to go with baking these, you're going to want to bake for around 15 minutes at 425 degrees. When they come out of the oven, they're soft and warm, and cheese is ooey gooey melty. You have a delicious, easy meal. If you like the video, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching.